Playtime is about to begin. Now, that's a good little subscriber. Just keep that exploitable mouth breather attention span rotting. Because Papa Ed wants them views, baby! Ha ha ha!
Ha ha ha. Very funny, Edward. Ed, what is wrong with you? What's up, guys? Today, we're gonna turn this into bricks. You're a Superman fan, right, Ed?
Firstly, that's Spiderman! Engagement beta!
I prefer Venom, Steve. Roll montage. Ha ha!
We'll need 10,240 1x1 round tiles, 40 16x16 base plates, and some bricks, pins, tiles, and plates for the frame.
Tasty!
For a full parts list and instructions for this build and more, stick around to the end and Ed will tell you where to get them.
Begin the build!
So the fun begins, and at 20 minutes per play, I'm making great pace. But I do have to take breaks, or the fingers can get rather sore. Then, his lordship doth interject.
Steve! What about Venom? He's so much friggin' cooler. Dark, brooding, satirical, manly, anti-nerd. Remind you of anyone? Make me one now!
I can't believe I'm doing this. That'll be 20,480 1x1 round tiles. We'll definitely need the blister repair kit on standby, Ed. Thanks to the magic of video editing, the final side-by-side comparison will be brought to you in just 3, 2, 1. I'm so happy how they turned out.
Wow, you've almost humbled me, Steven. Check the link in the description right now for free instructions and parts lists for today's builds. And subscribe to see us again asking, will it brick?